Rothschild, the Frankfurt terminus of the Tunis Railroad, financed by the Rothschild, opened in 1814. It was one of the German first railroad. The Rothschild family pioneered international finance in the early 19th century. The family provided loans to the Bank of England and purchased government bonds in the stock market. Their wealth has been estimated to the possible be the most in modern history. In 1804, Nathan Mayer Rothschild began to deal on the London Stock Exchange in financial instruments such as the foreign bill and government securities. From the 1809, Rothschild began to deal in the golden bullions and developed this as a cornerstone of his businesses. From 1811 on, it's in negotiation with the Commissary General John Charles Harris. He undertook to transfer money to pay Wellington troops on a campaign in Portugal and Spain against Napoleon, and later to make subsidies payments to British allies when these organized new troops after the Napoleon disastrous Russian campaign. His four brothers helped or coordinate activities across the continent, and the family developed a network of agents, shippers, and couriers to transport gold and information across Europe. This private intelligence services enables Nathan to receive in the London the news Wellington victory at the Battle of the Waterloo a full day ahead of the government officials. Messengers. The Rothschild families were instrumental in supporting railways system across the world and in complex government financing for projects such as the Suez Canal. The family bought up a large proportion of the property in Mayfair, London. Major businesses directly funded by the Rothschild family capital included the Alliances Assurance 1824, now Royal, and the Sun Alliances, Chimney Field Nord and Rio Tinto Group, and Society Lee Nickel, New Eminent and Amityville, now Emers, and Rothschild financed the founding of the D barriers as well as the Cecil Rhodes on his expeditions in Africa and the creation of the colony of the Rhodesia. The Japanese government approaches the London and Paris families for the funding during the Russo-Japanese War. The London Consortium and issues a Japanese war bonds would total 11.5 million in 1907 currency rates. From 19 to 2004, the Rothschilds banks in the London played a role as a place of the gold fixing. Napoleonic Wars and the Paris. Napoleon III had the goal of overtaking London to make Paris the premier financial chart center of the world, but the war in the 1870 reduced the range of Persian financial influential. Paris had emerged as an international center of the finance in the mid-19th century, second only to the London. It had a strong national bank of the numerous aggressive private banks that financed projects all across Europe and the expanding French Empire. One key development was setting up one of the main branches of the Rothschild family in the 1812 when James Mayer Rothschild arrived in Paris from the Frankfurt and set up the banks, the Rothschild Friars. This bank funded Napoleon's returns from the Elbela and became one of the leading banks in the European finance. The Rothschild banking family of the French funded France's major wars and the colonial expansion. The Banque de France, funded in 1796, helped resolve the financial crisis of the 1848 and they emerged as a powerful central bank. The competitor National de Escompento de Paris was established during the financial crisis and the Republican Revolution of 1848, and innovation included both private and public sources in funding large projects and the creation of a network of local officials to research a much larger pool of the depositors.